Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. Today we are going to be refreshing the steering wheel in our R33 GT-R. It has definitely seen some better days and it needs a little bit of help. Now you might be wondering why we don't just get an OEM one. Well, it's about $600 and to go aftermarket is similar or more expensive, plus we have to address adapting to the HECUS because this has rear wheel steering and it's a whole thing. So before we drop all that money, we decided that we would try a $30, $40 solution. This is from leathersteering.com and they sent us this nice piece of leather. It's pliable, it's soft, and they also sent us some instructions, a needle and thread, and we just had to find our own pair of scissors. So we are going to show you what it looks like. We're going to show you the before and after, and we're going to show you how this turns out. Okay, so the first thing we did was we wiped down our steering wheel and then we went ahead and fitted the leather across the top. And the instructions say to make the seam go down here at 6 o'clock, so we went ahead and did that. And then I went ahead and measured the thread and attached it to the needle. And so I'm just following these instructions, and I'm also following the YouTube video that they provided. Okay, we've got 2 sections completed and this is awesome. It feels great and it's nice and tight, and we're just gonna keep going around. Okay, we are in the home stretch. This is the last part and the thread is really long for this one, so it's a lot of fun to keep track of in the car, but this is starting to feel like a steering wheel. All right, it is fully installed and honestly it looks amazing and it feels great. It is a huge improvement over how the old part was really starting to wear away, and you can just see how much better it looks. Well, one quick tip if you're going to try this, as you're going, make sure that you kind of adjust forward and backward every few stitches just to make sure that you're keeping it aligned for where you want that seam to lie flat. Otherwise it might shift a little forward or a little backward, and keeping an eye on it as you go really helps a lot. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and come back and see more of our videos. Thanks.